Hello, my name is Steve Harpel with Brown Manufacturing. I'm here today to present to you Firefly technology. It's a new type of dryer being entered into the screen printing, digital, water-based, and all types of printing markets. It's the first dryer to change parameters based on what the garment is saying as opposed to just running a basic air temperature. So as you can see right now, the dryer is not heating anything. What we're trying to do is during downtime create the most efficient dryer possible. You can also see that there's 3 different belts. Each belt can run a different time in a different temp simultaneously. That's from just looking at it. Now let's go into how it works and how complicated it can actually get. So first thing we're going to look at is printing a white and a yellow directly to a polyester shirt. Okay? What we want to do is we want to try to control migration by controlling time and temperature. So in this particular case, I'm going to take the shirt, drop it onto the belt, and tell the belt that this is a poly shirt. The dryer will then photograph that shirt once it enters the machine and change the parameters so that that shirt never gets hotter than 290 degrees. What this allows you to do is properly cure the ink to manufacturer specs and still make sure that migration never happens as the shirt didn't get over that specific temperature. Each shirt is handled individually. What that allows you to do is, let's take something even more complex. Well, I want to run poly, but then I want to run cotton directly after it. This belt can be changed over instantly. So this is a cotton shirt. The cotton shirt laid here, and the operator can change its parameters. Where this comes in handy is in digital printing. A customer can use the same belt and run all different type of fabrics at the same time by changing a simple parameter. The dryer will remember what to do with the polyester and specifically do something different with that cotton. In a production style shop, each belt can run one item differently and a scan in between shirts is not necessary. Okay? So let's go one step further and push further into that digital world. Now, I'm going to set a digital shirt on here. Again, the dryer is going to remember the polyester setting, remember the cotton setting, and then remember the digital setting, allowing you to run all sorts of different materials and different media types at the same time. Okay? For speed reasons, if I can control the energy exactly for the garment, you can see that that poly setting was only 25 seconds through the oven. If I can cure in that rate, I can actually shrink the size of a dryer to nearly, let's say a half to a quarter the size of current dryers. If we move that into the digital world or the water-based world or the HSA world, we're drying shirts in 40 to 45 seconds as opposed to 2 to 3 minutes, giving you a dryer almost 1/6 shorter than what used to be on the market commonly, and holding the time and temperature at a much more accurate pace. So this dryer has a lot of benefits and it's very unique and definitely worth the time to take a look at and see how this is actually being done. What we're willing to stand here and say or be bold enough to say is that we have the solution to dye migration issues. We have the solution to water-based printing. We have the solution to HSAs. Just about every solution where drying is the problem. So if you get time, take a look at www.brownmfgdigital.com. And if you have any more questions, feel free to stop in. Thanks.